All right, this is just a quick video to try to help you understand how to do the Chapter 8 test, because I tried to do it a little differently to make it a little easier on you guys. So if you go to Geometry Moodle, and you're going to scroll down to Assignment 7, which is underneath the untraditional learning block that we've been dealing with. So Assignment 7, there'll be some directions here under Assignment 7 also that'll help you. And right here where my finger is, where it says watch this video before you try to do the Chapter 8 test, that's where this video will be. The next thing underneath that is a copy of the test, actual PFD or a PDF copy, and you can print it off or you can just work it out on a separate sheet of paper, whatever, but you're not going to send the answers to me with a picture this time. You're actually going to put them on Moodle, and we'll talk about that here in a minute. The second thing is the challenge problems. I separated the challenge problems from the regular test. If you want to try the challenge problems, then what you'll have to do is you'll have to either print them off or work them out on a separate sheet of paper, and those you will have to send me a picture of. So those you'll have to send me a picture of. But as far as the regular test goes, for the regular test, click on this, and it pulls up a copy of the test, and you just you're going to work each problem out. You can either print this off, or you can just work it out on a separate sheet of paper. But what you are going to do is you're going to take your answers, and if I go back over here to the other page, you're going to take your answers, and on this last thing down here it says Geometry Test Chapter 8 Answers. You're going to click on it, and notice it says you're allowed 2 attempts. I did that just because I thought maybe this might be a little difficult and somebody might mess it up, so you might need another attempt. But you're only allowed 2, so don't just guess. You're allowed 2 attempts, and all you're going to do is you're going to click on Attempt This Quiz, or Attempt This Quiz Now, and it gives you, it says Question 1. You're going to put in your answer for Question 1 right there. All of these are multiple choice, so you're just going to click on whichever answer you got. Maybe you got 4, so you click on 4. Then you go to the next page, and it says Question 2. You put in your answer for Question 2. So they're all multiple choice, and all you're doing is taking your answers and putting them in there. Now, if you wanted to try to pull up a double screen and work the problems out, and then put the answers right in Moodle as you're working the problems, that's fine. Just remember you're allowed 2 attempts only. I'm going to go back. Let's leave this page. Go back all the way here. So I'm back to the regular Moodle page. Again, this first thing is a copy of the test. The last thing down here is where you're going to put your answers into Moodle. Alright, so, and then the middle thing here is the challenge problems. If you want to try the challenge problems, you can either print them off, or you can just work the problems out on a separate sheet of paper, and that you will have to take a picture of and send to me. But as far as your test goes, I don't want any pictures of any test, of the actual test, because all your answers you're just going to transfer right into this one, right into Moodle. So again, Assignment 7, there'll be some directions here. Watch the video, which that's what you're doing right now. Click on the test. You can either print it off, or you can just work it right off of the computer. But you're going to transfer all of your answers this right here. You click on it, it'll go over here, and of course mine says continue last attempt. You go over there and you click on it, and you can just click on one of the answers. They're all multiple choice. Go to the next page, so on, so on, so on. You're just gonna click on each answer, whatever you get, until you get done. Then you're gonna finish attempt. And then of course it'll say submit all and finish. I'm gonna submit mine even though I didn't finish it. Submit it. You guys have done all these before. And then it'll give you some feedback on your questions. Since I was just guessing, I missed all 3 of my questions. And it just tells me your answer is incorrect, your answer is incorrect. So that's all you're gonna do. Get 2 attempts, try your best. Hopefully that explains everything.